Just see there. Today we are going to create, how can we
Yes,
just
sir.
create jump menu by using or jump radio button by using CSS or JavaScript and HTML. So let's start with that. So just firstly just start with that. That is doc type, HTML. And here we have just type your title. And today we are going to learn jump jump menu. And close this title and use your H1 tag and just use the center and just type the title, that is jump menu. Jump menu and close the center. And close this H1 tag here. And we have to write here the tag that is head tag. And we need to close here the last tag that is head tag. Clear? And now I am going to just create the list. So just type your select menu. First, you just type your body. And within this body tag, we have to write the form coding. So first we do this coding and then just go with the select option or select menu. So first you just go with the my website. And within this, just create a selection menu. Just type here select. And within this select menu, close this selection like this. And after the selection, we have to create here the some options. So we just type here option. And if you write some value with that, just type here value and just type here http://www.svsdti.com. Okay, and just close it and just type here website svsdti.com. svs www.svsdti.com. Right, and close this option menu. And similarly, you just repeat the same thing more than one time. So just again, just type here option, and within this, just type here value and the http://www dot, just type here gmail.com, or just type google.com, and after that, just
Yes, sir.
this and just type here www.google.com and close this option. Right. So here we have the value. Just click on this.
Yes, sir.
Let's check the output. First, this is the first option, and this is my second option. Okay. And in this section, if you want to just create link, first you just check the output, then we just go with that. Just save this. And let's find out the output stream. Let's move on here and check the output. Just press F5. You will get the things like this. Just see there. Here we have the list coming here. If you want to just add that, when you click on this, it will open the website. Okay. So firstly, we need to just move on coding screen and just write some coding for that. So just switch it. Coding is visible here or not? Now is it visible? So
No, sir.
now is it visible?
Yes, sir, it's
Just
visible.
type here that is on click or on change. Right, and call the function here. Just type here function name, that is ready, or just type here jump, whatever you want, just close it. And within this, we have to write here three values, that is the parent. And we want to just open this particular website within the same window. That's why we just type here this. And we want to just follow the index 0. That's why it is showing 0. And after that, we have to close this bracket and close the double import. And after this, we have to write some code for the JavaScript. So you have to create the function here. So just write here function. And before this, you have to use the script tag. And below this, you have to close the script tag. And within this tag, we have to write the function. Just see there. The name of this should be matched. Okay, that's why we just type here jump. You can write whatever you want to the name. Okay, and just choose your target. First, that is tag for target. And second one is the select object. So just type here select object. And third one, that is the reset. Go with that. Okay, or just type here reset and close here. And within this, we have to write some
Yes,
code.
sir.
So just type here e value and start the bracket. And within this bracket, we have to write some code that is target. Just type here targ, T-A-R-G, targ. Then we use the plus symbol because we want to just add another part. So just type here dot location because you want to just open the particular select file location and press equal to, right? And use single encode and then double encode and again plus select object.
Yes, sir.
Select object obj, and after that we have to use options. So just type here options, and within this just bracket start the bracket rectangular bracket and just type your select object, select obj, select. Firstly we have to write here object SEL obj dot selected, because when we just select this particular option, then it will follow the index. Select index. I should be captured here. Okay. So you have to write here index like this and close this. And after that,
Sir.
value. So just we want to just call the value of that because we just entered in this particular program the address of the particular website. So use the single input and close the double input and closing the bracket, parenthesis bracket, and use enter and use your if option. If for what? If we want to just restore the value, right? You can also just type here restore.
Yes, sir.
If you want to just restore, that's why I just type here restore and close it. And similarly, we do the restore value by default. So just type here restore, same as it is. Restore and close this bracket and use the space and just type here select obj object dot selected object. Selected index. Right, and it press equal to 0 and semicolon and close this bracket, and after that JavaScript will be closed here. Okay, and just save this, and after saving this, let's find out the output of this. So here we have, let's check the coding again, and then we just move on that select option. Okay, and then we use the select object options and select object dot selected index selected. So just type here selected index dot value, and it is right, and just move on this coding screen. Just save this by using Ctrl S and move on the coding screen. Let's find out the output and press here F5 and just move on this. Just see there, when you click on this, is it not working? So we just move on the coding screen again and write here some code. Option that is selected parent this 0, is it right? So move on here and just type here selected object. Target selection object. Let me check here the coding. Jump menu and then
Yes, sir.
target or select object. Just press the object capital and similarly just do the use here O capital in this section. And here we have to also use select object and selected index, is it right? Select object, is it right? Select object.
Yes, sir.
Selected index. Okay, here. And we have to use plus symbol here. And location will be the same. So just save it and let's find out. Refresh it and just click on this. I think just see there, it is open here in this section, right? Understood here? Just see there,
Yes,
here the
sir.
website is coming. So just move on the back screen. You will get the code again, right? Just see the code,
Okay, sir.
right? Just create multiple lines. So just use your multiple websites. Okay, and Just copy it and paste it here again, like this, and just change the address of that. Just type here, if you want to just open the Facebook, just type here facebook.com, and you have to write here www.facebook.com. And similarly, if you want to go with the another website, so just write here ibibo.com, ibibo.com, and just change the website here ibibo.com. Clear? Understood? And just save this.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And just move on here and press here F5. Right. Just see there. When we just click on this, it will open the website. Just see there. Here we're just going to open the Google. Just see there. Google is opening here. Okay.
Yes,
and
sir.
move on back. And again, just choose the what? Facebook. The Facebook will open. This is the Facebook. Right. And again, back here. And after that, just move on the ibibo.com. Just click on this. It will open the ibibo.com. Right. And last one, that is my website, is the sbsdta.com. Just click here. Right. You will get all the things here. So by this option, you will get all the things. And if you want to just create multiple lists like this, you can go with the image as well. Here we just go with the that is the URL address. Okay. So you can just do some changes in the coding on the place of here. Just see there. Here you want to just link the image, you just type here 1.gif, 1.jpg, whatever you want. Okay. And if you want to change the color of that, so you need to just add here the CSS style sheet coding as well. Just type here style. I have already told about that, and just type here style. And you want to just change the color of the body. So just type here body and just use your body background. Oh, sorry, background dash image, and it will be, I think, just type here linear gradient, and use your green and yellow, or just type here blue and yellow, and close this yellow, and close this here, and just save this. After closing this bracket. Similarly, if you want to just work with the H1 tag, so just type here directly H1, and you want to change the color for that. So you have to write here some text for that. Just close here and open. You need to don't use the dot, because we just directly call the tag, so it doesn't need to use this dot. Just type here color will be red, and just save this, and let's find out. Right, it's coming like that. Okay, understood here? And
Yes, sir.
it's visible. And if you want to just less width,
Yes,
then
that's visible.
go with the here the value, just type here 30% and choose here 40%, or just type here 60% and just save this and press F5. Just see there, it is coming more darker than the previous one. And you want to just change the interchange the
sir.
color. You need to just change the blue color with the yellow. Just type here yellow. It's look better than the previous one, and just type here blue, or just type here green, and just save this. Right. So it's look like that. Clear? Just try to
Yes,
do
sir.
that. Just make these types of coding, and you here we have the long list of this particular link that is known as jump menu. When we just click on this, you will get the website. Clear here?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It's
Just try
clear.